So we got a late breakfast going on, but we're gonna go ahead and get things started, guys. I got some eggs here. I'm gonna do some cheese eggs. Cheese eggs, guys, okay? Guys, I'm snowed in, by the way. I got 2 of my kids out there trying to shovel, which everybody should be out there, but, you know, people don't listen. It really, all the kids should be out there. That's how much snow it is. How many eggs I did? I think I did 12. Needs to get up.
I'm gonna give another new bag because the chip bag broke.
Don't give her anything right now.
Okay, what happened?
I use my coffee cup, guys. My new coffee maker. It takes the K-cups.
What did you say about the cake?
I see that. It's delicious. So what I'm talking about, guys, I have this coffee maker I bought from Walmart for $40. And it accepts the K-cups, which are those little pots right. So with my eggs, guys, I'm just going to add black pepper. Because I'm not adding salt because I'm putting cheese in it, and yes, cheese already has salt.
Is this for bread?
So I normally freeze my bacon. So here you guys see me trying to separate it because it was frozen. I freeze my bacon because if I don't, the kids will get into it. Got some bacon going. We are snowed in. Like, there's a lot of snow out here. I'm going to show y'all the snow. When I tell y'all it's a lot of snow, it's crazy. Let me show y'all this one here. Look, I made a big mess. That's who I'm talking to right here. A whole big mess. Inside the bag.
This bag?
Put them inside the bag, Anira. She been under here and not one bead made it in the bag. Anira, put the beads inside the bag.
Wait, the bead bag.
I'm not playing with you. She been under there like 10 minutes. She not listening. But we snowed in, guys. It's crazy. Look, guys. What? But who did that, though? Did they plow it like that, or was that like, who you gonna go ask? You know them? Ask them, because that's crazy. go, Taylor. Guys, look how hot this snow is. Look at this. And they trying to get the snow out of here. Look. Look at this. They going to go ask if they can use the snow plow because it's too much. Look how high it is. We snowed in. That's what I'm saying. A whole lot of snow. A lot. I wish the bacon would stay flat, but it's curling up. Are you done, Anara?
Probably. Probably I'm done. I think I am done.
Anara, can you stop playing around and do what I asked you to do?
So why do I that?
What?
You put this covered on this.
Just get up everything.
Everything?
Mm-hmm.
Why do I need to do that?
Because you made the mess.
But you're my big sister.
I had two of my kids outside trying to shovel, and then I got two kids that don't want to help. Don't want to do nothing. Just ridiculous. They apparently went to go see if somebody could at least shovel us out because my front, in the front, guys, you can't even get out. Neighbor across the street had got stuck this morning. What they say? Taylor, what did he say? Ooh, Lord. Too much snow. I gotta guard myself. Can't get me now. I had whipped up some eggs here. Gonna do some cheese eggs. So I don't know about y'all, but my bacon, this is how my bacon gotta look. Just right. Not too crunchy. And it's not, it's like in between. The neighbor helping, guys, because it's too much. Is he helping, Lacey? Oh, gosh. Y'all see that? That's how I like mine, too, but the turkey kind be rubbery. Oh, shoot. So my neighbor came to help because that snow is crazy. Oh, my goodness. so we can do the eggs. I bought this coffee thing. It's a single coffee maker. It's a single serve coffee maker, and you use the K-Cups. I've never used those K-Cups, but I like it. Because I buy too much, going to Tim Hortons every single day is just not, can't do it every single day. So the eggs, guys, we got the eggs mixed up. Okay, and I'm going to put a little bit of cream in there. So we finally about to get those eggs going. I pretty much just added that cream that y'all saw me add, and I'm adding butter to the skillet. And we're just gonna add a little bit more cream because I like my eggs to be really fluffy. And right away you start moving the eggs, right? Right away. Right away, guys, so that the eggs don't stick. That's how you have perfect eggs. Non-stick skillet, you gotta have that too. See how nice and fluffy they coming out? If y'all do it this way, y'all eggs gonna come out proper every single time. Trust me. Do it this way. A little backstory on how I learned to cook eggs, guys. As y'all may know, I love cooking, and I learned how to cook eggs all the way back from grade 3, grade 4, when I used to read the little cookbooks. Guys, this way of cooking eggs is the best way. As long as you have a non-stick skillet and you add cream, you're good to go. Some cheese to it. I'm just using some regular American cheese. To be honest, I like the texture. I like the taste of this cheese. Rather than like real cheese. I like the flavor of it. I don't know about y'all. It's melting on me. I gotta hurry up, put it in there. So the eggs are done, guys. I'm finally done with breakfast. This is almost 1 o'clock, so it's late breakfast.
Here?
No, just sit on the floor.
It's 12:51.
Here?
Rinse this because it got a little cheese on it and bring it back to me. Just put it where the other boxes are and come sit down.
Mom, you already clean up her mess.
Bring the towel.
I need your cups. What happened there? Like, did they scratch the table already?
Yeah.
I thought this thing was 9. Get the orange juice. I need the cups. Give them to me. Thank you.
Mom, there's water on the table. Yeah.
Where is it?
In the freezer. So the eggs are done, guys. The bacon is done. I already did some other stuff too. So hold on, guys.
Shoot.
No, it's gone. The rock. It's rock. Paper, scissors, gone.
Smiley face.
Smiley face
Hey,
fry.
Dawson, you want to come and pour the orange juice? You can come right here and do it.
Mm-hmm.
So Dawson's gonna pour the orange juice. I'm put a little
And I'm going to do the plate.
ice.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, sister. Got a little plate, Mom.
Okay, go ahead. Can I have the plates? Can y'all just stop playing with stuff? Just leave it alone.
Water.
Oh boy.
Water.
Can I have the plates, please? Yeah.
Mom, I don't like
Water,
Also, why you breathing so hard?
water.
Is the job hard?
Water.
No.
There, here.
Just leave it there. Just leave it over there, please. We got some smiley
Mom,
face.
what is that, coffee?
It is coffee.
Coffee. You want coffee?
Don't get coffee.
You gotta put the top
Cause
on.
you want coffee.
I get that much.
Hey, jingle bell, jingle
I don't know, just figure it out. Because that's what happens when y'all play with the straws and stuff. You know what? I'm just gonna
Jingle all
put
the
it
way.
like this. Can you come take this after you done, Dawson? Take this and put it back over there.
Don't blink it. Don't blink it. Because you don't.
Take that and put it on the stove.
Don't blink.
Here's the fork.
To the toilet.
Are the tops on there good?
Yes.
Yeah.
Did you wash your hands?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. They're not wet. So until I see your hands wet, then I'll give you food.
I just washed it.
You didn't.
Yes, I did.
They really don't look wet. In the sink.
In the washroom.
Spray water.
Gotta
on
do
my
it the
leg.
right way. Gotta listen.
Spray water on my leg.
What is
This is the kids' breakfast, guys. We got
What is that?
eggs.
what's that orange thing?
You can sit right there.
I did burn
That's the light. Well, what does that called?
Oh, you gotta go get waffles and yourself.
it. Yeah.
Here, waffles and the potatoes. I'm telling you what you need to do.
Mom, you
Here, go
didn't
put
wash
that away.
this
Actually,
properly.
you can.
And you didn't wash this.
It was just from where I used to with the bacon. It's all right.
And this one. I never washed my hands.
Okay, go wash your hands then.
Neither.
So we got the smiley face potatoes. We have waffles. We got cheese eggs. We got bacon. You know.
Okay.
Put that fork down and grab it with both hands.
I see red on the thing.
Can you just go and wash your hands?
Bacon.
Too. Because there's other people. Lacey and Jonathan.
One more here.
Thing.
Do you want cheese on your eggs, Anira? Or no cheese?
Yes.
You want cheese?
No cheese.
I'm only gonna give you a little bit. If you want more, then you get it.
Thank you. Guys,
Take it with both hands will be better.
Guys, do you for food? But since we are fed, they can go for their belly and their mommy.
Can I get the ketchup? I'm going to get ketchup.
Go ahead.
Mommy,
Yes?
can I get ketchup? Can I get
I'm listening. Here, put this back in the freezer.
Like said.
Later!
The guy next to it. You have to push it.
I
He
saw
said he
you.
recommends you drive in the snow. People.
Say it again?
You want
He said he
mustard?
recommends you
Yeah.
drive in the snow. People come.
I want mustard.
I want mustard.
Because I got a small
on
part.
my chicken nugget.
No, it's because you
It
don't.
is.
You don't have the
I
proper
want
snow.
mustard
I
on
do.
the
Proper
thing.
snow time.
But how you know that?
I want mustard on the
You can tell.
Whatever.
I want mustard.
I'm gonna take a risk.
I want mustard here.
Nah.
Down
He
here.
you know, right when he said that, he left.
Dude, get the mustard.
Lacey, you gotta get your potatoes and waffles and stuff over on the other side. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, I'm just setting up breakfast for the kids. Finally, I got done with everything, and I'm trying to set up my plate as well. And so yeah, if you guys should just leave in the comments below what y'all think about this breakfast spread, just let me know. I just want two. I don't want a lot. And mustard.
That's not nice.
I don't know why I put that there.
There's not enough juice.
Alright guys, hold on.
See, look at her, Mom.
Okay guys, so
Mom, I don't have a spoon.
alright.
I never.
So I got the smiley face potatoes with the mustard on it. The eggs.
Look. Look, let me see. I took it off. I took the bracelet off. You lost?
You want mustard, Izzy?
I want mustard.
Give them just a little bit.
I can get it.
They're gonna make it now.
No, I'm not.
That's enough. That's enough.
Well, I asked y'all to help, so.
You need to learn to do about it. It's just hitting too much.
Put it away. Wash a cup.
She just bent her thing like that.
There's the cloth there, the green one in the sink. You shaking the table. And what's all that? Oh, because the other guy got stuck. He had to help him get out.
Said, don't go until the flowers come.
Because he know I like to go. He know I be gone, boy. I'm always out. He knows it's for your neighbor to kind of. Because he's like, you get stuck, I'm not coming to pull you. I already had to pull one neighbor out the snow. And he was stuck for a minute. He was stuck for a long time. Here's take her towel for you.